What is going on with the price of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe? The Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe, released on August 4th, retail was $140. Prices right now are just slightly above retail. What is going on? What will happen with the price of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe? Did these sell out? Let's talk about it. Outrank Brand's new collection for the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe is officially live. Make sure you guys go cop the tees. Make sure you guys check out the shorts, the hats. Outrank Brand makes limited clothing drops to match our sneakers. Every single week, we get a new shoe release. Well, there's a new clothing drop to go with it. The clothing does sell out very quickly. You guys only have about 3 days to cop the merch, and that's it. It's gone forever. No restocking. So make sure you guys check out Outrank Brand to go cop your tees, go cop your shorts, go cop your hats to match your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out the new collection for the Black Toe Air Jordan 1 Lows. The link down below in the description and my code Danny Moore at checkout will save you money off your order. So make sure you guys check out Outrank Brand. Go cop your hype limited clothing to match your hype sneakers. Thanks Outrank Brand for sponsoring today's video. Here is the giveaway winner for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. Shout out to you. Congratulations for winning a free pair. Thank you so much for the love and support that you show me here on the channel. Thank you to everybody so much for entering my giveaways, coming back to my videos, supporting me. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. The new giveaway will start very, very soon. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's run up those likes. Let's get this video up to an easy 200 likes for the next sneaker giveaway. Trust me, you guys want to enter the next giveaway as well. So make sure you guys subscribe. Good luck on the next giveaway. I will announce the next giveaway very soon. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. 200 likes for a new giveaway announcement. Obviously, you guys hear my voice. My voice is shot. I lost my voice at a Drake concert. It's been like 4 days now. My voice is gone right now. I'm doing my best, so please bear with me for this video, yesterday's video. Maybe, hopefully, not anymore. Hopefully, I get my voice back soon. So yes, please put up with it. Please, guys, for this video. I know it sucks. Hopefully, I get my voice back soon. Did the Black Toes sell out? The answer is it depends. It depends, which is crazy to say. In store, they might be sitting at your local store. Go check. They might have some pairs. If you're looking for them, certain sizes might be there still. Why? Because there's barely any resale on this sneaker at all, which I did expect. It was anticipated by me. I told you guys in a previous video, don't buy them if you're a reseller. Basically, don't buy them. You're not going to make any money on them. Don't hold them. It wasn't anything really to go after that you're going to make a lot of money on at all. Lunch money if you were lucky, so that was the case on this sneaker. However, I will say this. These are fire. These are really nice. So if you're looking for a good summer shoe, these are definitely it. It's definitely a good colorway, nice OG look to it. It's a really good shoe. Now, the prices are low. We're looking at them right now at around 150, 160, 150. Retail's 140. People didn't get their pairs from online yet. Online, the sneakers app took a little while to sell out. They did. They took like over an hour to sell out on Nike, which was actually crazy and shocking to me. I thought they would fly on Nike, but it took like about an hour for them to actually sell out online, which was crazy. Other retailers, they did fly. Of course, they had less stock. Some retailers, they were very easy. You guys had, a few minutes after release to go in your cart and check out. It was not a tough cop online. Now, in store, it's probably even easier because a lot of stores got a lot of pairs. So if you're looking for a pair, I do recommend going in store and seeing if you can go cop. They might have them at your local store in your size or around your size, and then you can go ahead and do a size swap if need be. But I definitely recommend picking them up if you do like the Jordan 1 Low. You like the Black Toe colorway, color blocking, black, red, and white. You can't go wrong. And it does have the Nike Air branding as well. They did a good job with the shoe. Prices, man, are low. Will they stay this low? In my opinion, yes, for quite some time. I don't see them skyrocketing up to $250, $300 anytime soon. Will it happen in the future? Yes, probably. It'll take years, though, in my opinion. I'm thinking 2, 3, 4 years. Is it really worth holding? At that point, No, not in my opinion, especially just one pair. So I do recommend go ahead and letting them go if you're not looking to keep them. Go ahead and let them go, quick flip them, and make your little bit of lunch money if you can. So the price being so low is a good sign right now if you're looking for personals, because this is definitely a good personal pickup. This is going to be a great shoe for back to school, summer as well. Of course, summertime is still here. It's a good Jordan 1 low. They do have the red laces, so this is what they look like with the red laces, and they also come with black. Luckily, they do come with black, but I did keep in the red. I think the red gives it a nice pop. I actually dropped a few videos on these already. A real versus fake video. Make sure you guys check that video out if you need help legit checking them. I also wore the black toe Jordan 1 low for an entire week, so make sure you guys check out that video as well. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about the black toe Jordan 1 low? Are you shocked that the price is so low? I'm talking barely over retail plus tax. That's crazy. You know, if these dropped a few years ago, prices would not be this low. There's no way. Prices would be much higher, in my opinion, if these dropped, 2-3 years ago. I would easily say they'd be at like $250, possibly a little more. Right now, just in the game, the way the market is, they're just simply not reselling for much. So that's a good sign if you do want a personal. Resellers out there, I recommend staying away from this shoe for right now. Eventually, they will go up, but you have time to invest. It's not something you need to buy and hold right away. So I definitely recommend go ahead and let them go, quick flip them, move on to the next release. It's a really good shoe though. I'm a huge fan. These are fire, straight fire. One of the best Jordan 1 lows to release all year. These and basically the Travises. These are definitely up there. Very, very dope. One of the best Jordan 1 lows. I'm a huge fan. Black toe Jordan 1 lows. Only thing that's different compared to the OG highs would be the black tongue, right? Usually we have a white tongue as well as, the shininess of the black, the leather there. So yeah, definitely a clean shoe. The leather quality is nice. They break in nice. They are true to size. You can even go down half a size if you want to. It's a really good shoe, and I'm definitely happy to see that if you wanted them, you put in the work for them, you probably got a pair for retail, so that's a good sign. Hey, don't sleep on the black toe Jordan 1 lows. Good summer shoe, a good sneaker for back to school, and I definitely see a lot of people wearing these in the upcoming months. Let me know what you guys think about these, the black toe Jordan 1 lows, down below in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to the giveaway winner on the UNC Toe Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe for future sneaker giveaways. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 low black toe is fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.